Welcome back, everyone, to Series 12 on the 15 ways to protect your company from a network attack. Today, what we're going to talk about is computer updates. How important are these updates? Extremely important. Normally, what happens is your IT staff will put a hold on the updates because the updates decide to do some weird things in the background, or they'll do it during the day, or shut down the computer, and it causes all sorts of havoc because then the employee can't get his work done. So what we try to do is we try to schedule the updates when we know the staff isn't working. 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night, maybe midnight at night. So by the time in the morning when it reboots, everything is good to go. The downside to doing updates is sometimes there's flaws in the updates where it will cause it not to work with certain drivers for printers and so on and so forth. So that's why we try to look at these updates. But most importantly, these updates have security patches, which are these what they call critical updates, which patches the operating system from any vulnerabilities or any holes. So it's extremely important that your IT staff make sure that these updates are up to date. So, for instance, Windows 1909, which is the version of Windows 10, 1909, I think they're on 20IH or 20H1 or something like that, 21H or something. I'm not exactly sure. But anyway, so they have a different version. So they have a version above that. So 1803, 19, and then 1909, those ones are actually no longer supported. So you have to upgrade to the newer ones to get the patches. So they're trying to they're trying to put us into this little bubble. If you want to learn more about the updates and making sure that gets done on your home computer and on your work computer, please check us out on October 22nd at the Lunch and Learn at 12 p.m. There's a link in the description that will allow you to RSVP. And please don't forget to check us out on our social media. You guys have a wonderful day.